Here we are in an extremely dry summer. We can come down into the basement of the A.A.Trow sawmill and we can look for remains of the machinery and the structure that used to set up above us. And we can also see carved into one of these foundation stones close to the bottom of the wall, 1870. And we can look up pretty far up. It's the top of the foundation. And there, this space was spanned by big floor beams, and above us was the saw. There's the metal parts right there. And there's A.A.Trow, junior archaeologist, exploring underneath the debris.